I'm Dr. Lora Shahine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you 10 gift ideas for your loved one with infertility. I'm Dr. Lora Shahine. I'm a reproductive endocrinologist helping people build families for over 15 years. And today I want to help you support your loved one that you know is struggling to build their family. First of all, thank you for supporting this person. There are so many people who are suffering with infertility and miscarriage, and they feel so alone. So the fact that this person has shared with you that they are struggling means they have gotten really vulnerable with you, and you are so thoughtful to even watch this video and think about ways to care for them. I struggled with my own infertility. It took me a long time to really share with people that I cared about because there's a lot of shame wrapped up in infertility. I was a fertility doctor that was having struggles building my family, and I just felt like, gosh, if there's anybody that should know how to do this, it should be me. And I have some very dear friends that actually gave me little things along the way. Even if it was just reaching out, just giving me that compassion was really important. But if you're looking for something to get this person that you care about, this person that you want to share, here are 10 wonderful gift ideas. If this is your first time finding this channel, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. If you are coming back after learning from one of my other videos on IVF and miscarriage and reproductive health, welcome back. I'm so glad that you found it valuable and you still want to keep learning. Like this video if you learned something, comment with questions that you have. Be sure and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss my weekly videos. So, of course, gifts have to deal with the person that you're giving them to, but here are 10 general ideas that you can mix and match and find what is right for that special person that you want to support. Number one, fertility socks. These are fantastic for people that are going through a fertility evaluation or any sort of treatment. If you have been there yourself, you know how often you're told to get undressed from the waist down and the provider or doctor will be in a minute. And I always keep my socks on because it's so cold in those exam rooms, and my patients can get pretty silly and have a lot of fun with the type of socks that they use. And so there's lots of ideas you can find online, do a search and find fertility socks. I'm going to link some here in this video so you can find them. But especially on embryo transfer day, my patients will have socks that say, "I've got this," and they're playing on like IVF, "I've got this." Or on the bottom of their socks, it'll say, "Stick it to me, baby." You know, just so much fun, and just people get really creative and fun with their fertility socks. So these are great gifts for your friend, whether they are going through fertility and especially if they're doing IVF. Idea number two are positive affirmation cards. Now, this might not be for all of your friends, but for that friend that really feels better if they think positively and they like to have encouragement, these cards are something that they can look at every day or on their way to the clinic for their next test or check-in. And there are fertility positive affirmation cards and then other general affirmation cards that can be really helpful and just give people a little bit of support, a little reminder when you can't be there. Number three are fertility charms. So there are actually charms online that you can buy that are specific for fertility. They come with little cards and positive messages. It doesn't have to be something that is particularly designed for fertility. It could just be a little something that you give your friend that they can wear or keep in their bag or keep close, just as that reminder that they have that support person. So if your friend or loved one absolutely loves elephants, you could give a little elephant charm. If you know that they've always just wanted to go on a trip to Paris, you could give them a little charm of the Eiffel Tower or something like that. Think about your friend and think about what might be right for them. It's more showing this compassion, showing that you're thinking about them, just giving them a little something as a reminder to show how much you care. Number four, anything with a pineapple on it. So pineapples are a huge symbol within the fertility community. I post about this a lot. I love pineapples. Actually, that my symbol for my brand is a pineapple. I have pineapples all over my office. I dress up as a pineapple for Halloween. I love pineapples, and a lot of it is because it's such a great symbol of hope for this fertility community. community. So anything, like you could get fertility socks with pineapples on it. You could get a pineapple charm. You can get a bag with a little pineapple on it. Pineapples are huge. It's just a really fun, beautiful symbol of hope and huge in this fertility community. As far as why pineapples have become a symbol within the fertility community, there's a lot of different theories out there. I think it comes from the recommendation to eat pineapple during the 2-week wait. So the 2-week wait, which is between like some sort of treatment or trying and a pregnancy test, is a really hard time. Make sure that you see the link to my guide for help during the 2-week wait, or my video here on YouTube for it. Got lots of great advice. But in that 2-week wait, if you eat pineapple, supposedly it will improve your chances of implantation and success. The thought is because the pineapple core especially is full of an anti-inflammatory called bromelain. And if you eat lots of bromelain, then maybe you'll have a higher chance of pregnancy. This is not proven, but if you enjoy pineapple, it might be a great time to have a little extra. Number 5, you can get your loved one a fertility gift bag or gift box. There's plenty of companies out there that make them. I happen to find a couple and I'll put them in the link in this video here, but you can just do a search engine for fertility gift box. It usually comes with fertility socks, a couple of pineapple symbols, a couple of things to just help your loved one feel really pampered. Number 6, you can make your own self-care or fertility gift box for your friend. You know your friend and loved one best, so you know what they are going to enjoy. You can use the fertility gift baskets for inspiration, but think about maybe some pineapple socks. Think about chocolate if your loved one loves chocolate. Think about an eye mask, maybe a bathrobe, a really nice lotion, a gift certificate for a massage. Just think about what your friend is really going to enjoy. This is all about making them feel special. So a little collection of some pampering tips, tricks, sweets might be really enjoyed by that person. So number 7, for your friend or loved one that's had a miscarriage, a pregnancy loss, recurrent miscarriage, I have created something specifically for this purpose. It's a way to show that you care to someone. So it helps you say something when you aren't really sure what to say. So you probably know that I have written this book, Not Broken. It's a guide to evaluation and treatment for recurrent first trimester miscarriage. You can find this on Amazon. So this is actually helpful for patients to learn how to advocate for their care. But I have a companion book. So this is the textbook, sort of. And then this booklet or smaller book is called Not Broken Illustrated. You can find this on Amazon as well. And it's really like a card or a booklet that kind of walks someone through with really beautiful illustrations, what it feels like to be pregnant and to be excited about meeting this baby, and how you can feel very shattered when you find out that the pregnancy is not going to continue, we've lost the pregnancy, and how you, through support, imagine yourself here supporting this person, and reminders and help, and finding that you can kind of put yourself back together, find that hope again, and a reminder that you're not broken. And in it, I also included one of my blog posts on just ways to find support, the importance of mental health and emotional wellness through this. So that's a really specific purpose, but I really hope that can be helpful. And I wrote that as a way for loved ones to show their loved ones and their friends how much they care when it's hard to know exactly what to say. Number 8, if your friend is planning to do IVF, there's a specific wonderful gift you can give them, especially if you know that they are type A, love to organize, and kind of are feeling overwhelmed with the medications and the needles and all the things that they need to actually get through the IVF cycle. There's a company called MyVitro, and it's at myvitro.com, and they've actually created this incredible toolkit and helpful resources for patients that are planning to go through IVF. So what an incredible gift. If you have gone through IVF yourself, you know how much it takes to kind of stay organized. So if you know your friend is going to be going through that, what an incredible gift to give them to help them manage all that they need to manage as they're going through that incredible cycle. Number 9, if your friend is planning to go through IVF, there are actually IVF coloring books out there. There are studies that truly show that concentrating on certain kind of menial tasks like coloring, knitting, doing puzzles, that can be very calming for the mind, decrease cortisol levels, decrease stress levels. And so I actually love coloring, and I love that there are coloring books out there specific for IVF. What an incredible gift idea. And I'll link some here. And number 10, a handmade gift from you. This is nothing you have to buy. It could be a card that you write where you just say, I'm thinking about you. I know this is a tough time and I'm here to support you. Maybe it's the gift of time. If you know your loved one loves to go hiking and spend time outdoors, why don't you organize a hike that you guys could do together? This gift, this sort of 10 best gifts for your friend with infertility or struggling to build their family. It's not about the actual material thing that you're giving to them. You're giving your support and your love to this person that needs it now more than ever. I hope that these ideas were helpful for you. With these 10 ideas, and I'll list them all here in this video, you have gifts for your friends going through IVF. You have gifts for your friend who unfortunately has had a pregnancy loss. And the most important thing is a gift of your support. Like this video if you learned something, comment with questions that you have, subscribe to this channel, and stick around for more learning.